Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Today we're going to start by reviewing syllables. I'll give you the word parts and then we'll blend the word together after you repeat it. Here we go. Stormy, stormy, morning, morning, almost, almost, dentist, dentist, member, member, kindness, kindness, father, father, table, table. Good job. Now we are going to punch out some ending sounds. So we're dragging our fist with our right hand from the left to the right and then just punching out that final sound. First word is love. Love. Twig. Twig. No. No. I don't like the way I did that. O. Two sounds, only punching out that O sound. Crib. Crib. Cage. Cage. Bat. Bat. If. Corn. Corn. Has. Peg. Peg. Good. That's what I'm always saying, like we have to be careful that we're not just blending that sound. We want to really enunciate it and just punch out that sound. And in the word no, we only have two sounds, o. So I was not very careful and I had to do that one again. All right, now we're going to segment some words into syllables. So I will say the word. I want you to repeat the word and then we're going to clap it into our syllables. The first word is quiet. Quiet. Answer. Answer. Recess. Recess. Super. Super. Teacher. Teacher. Number. 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 Last one. Winter. Winter. Good job. All right, get your fists ready because we're going to be doing some phoneme substitution. The first word is red. Change R to SL. Sled. The word is hum. Change H to pl. Plum. The word is sing. Change S to fl. Fling. The word is dip. Change D to cl. Clip. The word is knock. Change N to bl. Block. Good job. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. So we're going to start with the ending part, the rhyme of the word. We're going to add the beginning sound, the onset, and we're going to blend it, see what word we make. The word is itch. Add gl to the beginning. Glitch. The word is ink. Add bl to the beginning. Blink. The word is awk. Add cl to the beginning. Clock. The word is am. Add sl to the beginning. Slam. All right, now we're deleting phonemes, so we're removing the beginning part. The word is pledge. Without pl, the word is edge. The word is slit. Without sl, the word is it. The word is bluff. Without bl, the word is uff. The word is flag. Without fl, the word is ag. The word is club. Without cl, the word is ub. Good job today.